welcome back everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. Today, I did a review on this machine. I'm doing a review on this machine, the Nespresso machine. If you like espressos, it also makes regular coffee, but it comes in different pods. And the pods are here. They're all different. They have different sizes. You know, they got double espresso, coffee, but now, I mean, you get all different types. But these are the pods right here. All right. So, also that I do like a cup of espresso, which you have to prepare this yourself, and I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. I just learned myself. This little metal tray here comes out, and it hooks in here for the little cups here. All right. Now, what you have to do, you need a good espresso coffee, or you can buy the espresso coffees. They're smaller. If you look at this one, and you look at this one, totally different sizes. These are the espressos. Okay. So, what I'm going to do, we have purchased this item here. You have to put your coffee in here, your espresso coffee, and then you have to pack it down real tight. All right, and screw this on, which I'm going to show you right now. But we did purchase some espresso here, so it's very fine coffee. So what you do, take your coffee, you put your coffee in. Okay, then you take, I call it a plunger. You put it in. Push down, and I give a little twist. I'm going to need a little bit more. All right, once again, put, and you push down tight, and you pack it. Okay. And once that is done, you take the top, and you screw the top on. And here you go. Now, let me close it up here. Close up the coffee here. Get it out of the way. Okay. Now, what you do, you have to take one of these. These are the ones I have already used. You can reuse these. But what happens is that this part goes in here. All right. Now, to open it up, just twist it, insert it, and you just close it down. And this machine is very simple, very simple. And if I had the smaller ones, it would make 1 cup, but this will probably make 2 cups of these. But I only want 1 cup. I can do another cup. All right. So let me turn it on. It's on. And then I'm going to hit the button here. And we just have to wait. Of course, the water has to heat up. And here it comes. All right. Should be coming out in 1 second. Here we go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to need another cup. That's 1 cup. And you can see the color on it. This is straight up espresso. Very nice machine. And it also comes with the, a milk, to fluff your milk up. With this here. All right. But this machine, it's really a good machine. But what I also love about it, let me stop it. I'm going to stop it here. All right. Let me give you a closer look. What you're looking at. See how it's all nice and fluffed up and creamy? Now, when you open it up, is going to eject the pod. And there it goes. I'll just have to fish that out because I need that stainless steel part. But if you're using one of these regular ones, that's where it goes for recycling, basically. All right, and this is a really good machine. And yeah, these teas here, these are very, very good tea, very expensive tea. Yeah, we had got these teas when we was on the getaway in the Haven Suite. Tea is delicious. All right, well, like I said, this is the fluff your milk up and the warm it, and these are the boxes that the espressos and coffees come in. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. But if you're looking to purchase something like this, yeah, it comes with a price, but it's well worth it. I mean, it's really, really elegant and delicious coffee and espressos. So if you can subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Like I said, it helps my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.